We are remembering the life and work of Gerald Dawe, 1952 to 2024. We welcome Dorothea, his loving wife, and his loving daughter, Olwen Dawe.
Jerry, when we lived in the flat in Galway, he bumped into a local fella who just looked at him and said, "How's the poetry going?"
Primary school in Dublin. We're going to set everybody a task of writing a poem. And Michael Longley was staying with us and I got him to write the poem for me.
Jerry said there's more stories to Northern Ireland than the standard narrative.
All art is collaboration. Jerry knew that better than anyone else I've ever known.
Welcome to this virtual visit to the Barron's Library here at Boston College. This is the kind of backstory that you see in archives. Me and my mother go to the circus. Mother and father went to the circus, Gerald Dawe. And so this is how writers are born.